Imagine standing amidst the lush rainforests, where the air is thick with the scent of earth and life, or gazing over sprawling savannas, where the horizon seems to stretch into infinity. Our planet is a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be discovered. Our world thrives with breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures, each with its own unique story and charm, beckoning us to explore and immerse ourselves in their beauty. Yet as we venture further into these magnificent realms, we must acknowledge the impact our journeys have on the very environments we seek to admire. The footprints we leave behind can either harm or help the delicate ecosystems and communities we visit. This is where the beauty of sustainable travel emerges. Sustainable travel is not just a trend, it is a necessity for the preservation of our planet's natural and cultural heritage. By making conscious choices and adopting eco-friendly practices, we can experience the wonders of our world while preserving it for generations to come. Simple actions, such as reducing waste, supporting local businesses, and respecting wildlife, can make a significant difference. In this journey we embark on together, we will uncover simple yet impactful adjustments we can make to transform our adventures into forces of good. From choosing eco-friendly accommodations to minimizing our carbon footprint, every small step counts. Supporting local communities and engaging in cultural preservation efforts not only enriches our travel experiences, but also ensures that the destinations we love remain vibrant and thriving. Ethical tourism practices, such as participating in wildlife conservation projects and avoiding activities that exploit animals, help protect the biodiversity that makes our planet so extraordinary. Embracing renewable energy sources and opting for sustainable transportation methods, like biking or using public transit, further reduces our environmental impact. As eco-conscious travelers, we have the power to create a positive global impact. By spreading awareness and inspiring others to follow suit, we can collectively contribute to a healthier, more sustainable world. Let us embark on this journey with a sense of responsibility and a commitment to preserving the pristine environments and rich cultures that make our world so special. Together, we can ensure that future generations will also hear the call of the wild responsibly. As we set off on our explorations, let's consider the first principle of sustainable travel, embracing eco-friendly transportation. This means making choices that reduce our carbon footprint and promote a healthier planet. It's about being mindful of how we move from one place to another, ensuring that our adventures do not come at the expense of the environment. Imagine yourself traversing the bustling streets of Tokyo, not in a fume-spewing vehicle, but aboard their whisper-quiet, energy-efficient metro system. The Tokyo Metro is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to move millions of people efficiently while minimizing environmental impact. By choosing public transportation, we not only reduce traffic congestion, but also contribute to cleaner air and a quieter cityscape. Picture yourself cycling through the charming villages of Denmark, the gentle breeze carrying the scent of wildflowers. Denmark is renowned for its extensive network of bike paths, making it a paradise for cyclists. Biking is not only a fantastic way to explore the countryside at a leisurely pace, but it also promotes physical health and reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Every pedal stroke is a step towards a more sustainable future. These are not just picturesque scenes, but conscious choices that lessen our footprint on the environment. Sustainable travel is about making informed decisions that benefit both the traveler and the planet. It involves supporting local economies, respecting cultural heritage, and preserving natural landscapes. By opting for eco-friendly accommodations, eating locally sourced food, and participating in conservation efforts, we can make a positive impact. And when our journeys necessitate air travel, we can explore carbon offsetting initiatives, investing in projects that mitigate the impact of our flights. Carbon offsetting involves funding renewable energy projects, reforestation efforts, and other initiatives that reduce greenhouse gas emissions. While flying is sometimes unavoidable, we can still take steps to balance out our carbon footprint and support the transition to a more sustainable aviation industry. Every step we take, every mode of transport we choose, presents an opportunity to tread lightly on our planet. By being conscious of our travel habits and making eco-friendly choices, we can enjoy the beauty of the world while ensuring it remains vibrant for future generations. Let's embrace the art of eco-friendly travel, where every journey is a chance to protect and cherish our incredible planet. Our luggage, often packed with anticipation, can also be a vessel for responsible travel. Imagine this. Instead of single-use plastic bottles, we fill our reusable bottles with fresh, local water. Instead of miniature toiletries, we opt for eco-friendly bars and refillable containers, minimizing waste and embracing sustainability. Each item in our backpack becomes a testament to our commitment to preserving the pristine environments we encounter. Remember, every choice, no matter how small, ripples outwards, contributing to a larger movement of conscious travel. Sustainable travel extends beyond minimizing our environmental impact. It's about connecting with the heart and soul of a destination. Imagine sitting down for a meal, not at a global chain restaurant, but at a family-run eatery, the aroma of local spices filling the air. Picture yourself engaging with artisans, their hands crafting intricate souvenirs that tell stories passed down through generations. These interactions are not just transactions, but threads that weave us into the cultural tapestry of a place. By supporting local businesses, we contribute directly to the well-being of communities and foster genuine cultural exchange. Venturing into the wild is a privilege, a humbling experience that reminds us of nature's grandeur. Imagine standing before a towering redwood, its ancient wisdom whispering secrets in the breeze. As we immerse ourselves in these natural wonders, we must remember our role as guardians. Staying on designated trails, respecting wildlife from a distance, and refraining from activities that harm the ecosystem are not mere suggestions, but crucial acts of preservation. By treading lightly and advocating for conservation efforts, we ensure that these natural treasures continue to inspire awe for generations to come. Every day, we make choices that impact our planet, and travel is no exception. Imagine this. Instead of accumulating plastic bags, we carry a reusable bag, a simple yet powerful symbol of our commitment to reducing waste. We seek out accommodations and tour operators that prioritize sustainability, their practices aligned with our values. And when the time comes to part with waste, we do so responsibly, adhering to local recycling guidelines. These small acts, when multiplied by millions of travelers, create a ripple effect, transforming our journeys into a force for positive change. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is a precious resource we must use consciously, especially when traveling. Imagine this. Instead of requesting fresh towels daily, we opt to reuse them, conserving water and energy. We take shorter showers, mindful of our water footprint. We turn off lights and air conditioning when leaving our hotel rooms, simple acts that contribute to a larger effort in conserving energy. Remember, every drop saved, every watt conserved, contributes to a more sustainable future. As our exploration of sustainable travel comes to a close, we reflect on the incredible journey we've undertaken. Let's carry the lessons we've learned into every journey we embark on. From choosing eco-friendly transportation options like bicycles, electric cars, and public transit to supporting local communities by staying in locally owned accommodations and eating at local restaurants, and minimizing our waste by using reusable containers and avoiding single-use plastics. Each step we take shapes a more responsible and fulfilling way to travel. Sustainable travel practices are not just about the environment. They are about creating meaningful connections with the places we visit and the people we meet. Responsible travel experiences enrich our lives and leave a positive impact on the world. Remember, the power to preserve the beauty of our planet rests in our hands. Every small action we take can make a significant difference. By being mindful of our choices, we can help protect natural habitats, reduce pollution, and conserve resources for future generations. Let's be the generation that chooses to explore consciously, with a deep respect for the environment and the cultures we encounter. By traveling with an open heart and a responsible mindset, we can ensure that our adventures are both enjoyable and sustainable. Leaving behind footprints of change, not destruction, means being aware of our environmental impact and striving to minimize it. This includes simple actions like staying on designated trails, not disturbing wildlife, and supporting conservation efforts. Share these practices, inspire others, and become ambassadors for sustainable travel. By spreading the word and encouraging others to adopt eco-friendly habits, we can create a ripple effect that leads to a more sustainable future. Together, let's ensure that the wonders of our world continue to captivate and inspire for generations to come. By making conscious choices today, we can preserve the natural beauty and cultural heritage of our planet for our children and grandchildren to enjoy. Let's embark on this journey towards a greener world, one step at a time, and make a lasting impact on the places we love to explore.